So unfortunately my son got hurt at a local trampoline park, and when we tried to address it with the trampoline park, they refused to acknowledge the damage, and that's when I contacted you guys. I actually had obtained a previous lawyer, but I didn't feel like they were handling the case too well. And then they were located in Palm Beach, so I wanted someone a little bit more local, which is how I found you guys. Via Google, technically. It was great. You guys were extremely communicative at every point of the process. You texted me along the way, you followed up accordingly, and I never felt like uneasy or that you were ignoring my calls. If I didn't get an answer within 24 hours, I at least got a text message that you guys were looking for the answer. So definitely overall a great experience. Lanchi communicated with me throughout the whole entire process with the medical bills. I think you guys explained everything very thoroughly to the extent that I can fully understand. And you guys worked quick and effective, a lot quicker than the other place was. So I honestly don't have a complaint. Absolutely, yes. I have you guys at the top of my list, not only for recommendation, but if I ever needed someone else, I know to just call Brooks Law Group.